Hey fam, welcome back to Tari's Lifestyle and Vlog, and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about what to do if your 90-day Vignette sticker expires before you actually travel to the UK. Okay, but before I go on, my name is Tari, and on this channel we'll talk about UK visas and immigration. We'll talk about how to safely and successfully travel to the UK. We'll talk about life in the UK and how to navigate and settle in the life as an immigrant living in the UK. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, if this is your first time of coming to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, then please subscribe. Turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos going forward. To my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. So I'm doing this video because I've had a few questions. A few of you have questioned me about what to do if the vignette, it's called a vignette, so it's like a sticker that is put on your passport if you are traveling to the UK for more than 6 months. So if you're traveling for more than 6 months, maybe about a year or 2 years or 2.5 years, normally the UK Home Office would stamp your passport with a vignette, and then when you come to the UK, you will pick up your biometric residence permit card that will last. So the vignette will usually last for 90 days, and the rest of your stay in the UK will be given to you in your biometric residence permit card, which you will pick up when you get here. Okay, but I've had questions about this. Some people have said that theirs have already expired, and there was one person in particular that said that her son would not be able to travel before the sticker expires, and she wanted advice on what to do. Okay, I've given her the advice, but I thought again that I would come and do a video about it for as many of you that are in the same position. Okay, so what do you do if your vignette actually expires before you travel? Okay, so you've been given a 90-day sticker. You have to travel within that 90 days, which is 3 months, but for one reason or the other, maybe due to finance or maybe due to other commitments, you were unable to travel and the vignette expires. Bearing in mind that you've already been given the visa, okay, for how many ever years, maybe 2 years, which you were supposed to pick up in the UK, but this 90 days has expired, which means you won't be able to travel to the UK, therefore you won't be able to pick up your biometric residence permit card. Now, if this happens, you can actually apply for a replacement. If you can apply for a replacement vignette, okay, by filling a form online. Okay, so once you fill the form, a replacement should be sent to you. The processing time for it is about 3 weeks. Okay, so it could be more, it could be less, depending on your circumstance, and also depending on the workload of the case officers in the Home Office. Okay, so you can get a replacement. But one thing I would need to say is, if you know you're not going to be able to travel within the next 90 days, because when they give you another one, it's going to be for another 90 days. If you know you won't be able to travel, then do not apply for a replacement just yet, because if you do and it expires, you have to apply again, and that will be extra cost. And I must say, to apply for a replacement is not free. It's £154. So if you apply for a replacement for £154 and you're not able to use it, you have to apply again for another one, and you have to pay another £154. Okay, so there's no need to worry. So the most important thing is for you to use your vignette within the 90 days. But if you're not able to use it for one reason or the other, then what you want to do is apply for a replacement, fill in the form, and then make the payment. You would also need to go for a biometric appointment. So you need to go back to where you did your appointment in the first place, and you have to give your biometric against your fingerprints, your pictures, and all of that would need to be taken all over again. Okay, so this is just the simple process to go about it. If your vignette has expired, it's not the end of the world, because we know that life happens. Okay, so you can actually apply for a replacement by filling in the form online and then paying the fee, going for your biometric, and a new one should be sent to you. Okay, well, I hope this video has been helpful. It's a quick and short one. If it has helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, because subscribing and engaging with my videos helps us to grow. It makes me know that you're actually enjoying my videos, therefore I would want to do more. Okay, if you have any questions, any video suggestion, again, leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer, engage with you in the comment section, and do more videos for you. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.